Hey everybody, it's me Joe and I want to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to give you a listening test, but it's also going to test your knowledge of prepositions. So I'm going to give you a sentence and you got to listen carefully and try to figure out which preposition would go in the blank. There'll be two choices. Also, all of these sentences are going to be about the amazing country of the United Arab Emirates, and specifically the city of Dubai. So you'll find out some interesting stuff. And at the end of the video, there's going to be some listening questions to see how carefully you were paying attention. Okay? Let's get to it. Here is the first fact. Dubai is home to the world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa, which stands at or on 828 meters high. Can you guess which preposition you should use? The right answer is at. Okay, it stands at 828 meters high. It's a really tall building. For example, the Eiffel Tower in Paris, by comparison, is only 300 meters high. All right, so now you know how it works. Let's go on to the next one. Number 2. Premarital sex and kissing, so in or with public, is illegal in the United Arab Emirates. Can you guess which preposition you want there? In or with? And the right answer is in. In public is a very strong collocation. Those two words are often found together. So if you're in Dubai, be very careful about, make sure you're inside, in your home or in your hotel room when you're kissing. All right? Now, you've made it this far, and that's fantastic. I want to know that you are a fantastic student, so I want you to take this next secret code and send it to me on Instagram at Teacher Joe Crossman, and then I'll know that you deserve extra help. So here is the first secret code. It is the tallest building. Okay? Let's keep going. All right, number 3. Only foreigners, so from or with permits, can buy and consume alcohol in Dubai. So do we want from permits or with permits? And the right answer is with. Okay? Foreigners with permits. That means the foreigners have them. They have the permits. That means permission from the government. Okay? Because alcohol is not usually consumed by the general public in the United Arab Emirates because the national religion is Islam and alcohol is forbidden. Okay? Let's go on to number 4. I like this one. It's very interesting. The Dubai police drive very cool police cars such as Ferraris and Lamborghinis, which can cost up, from or to $500,000 US. So do we want can cost up to or can cost up from? And the right answer is to. Cost up to $500,000. So those are very expensive police cars. All right? And I think really fast. Now, you've made it this far and I've got another secret code for you. The second secret code is call the cops. Okay? Cops is a slang word for police. Let's keep going. Here's number 5. The Mall of the Emirates is one of Dubai's most famous malls. With or which? Tons of shopping and even an indoor ski slope. So, all right, malls with tons of shopping, malls which tons of shopping. Which preposition do we want? And the right answer is with. All right? Wow. Tell me down below if you've ever gone skiing in a shopping mall before. I certainly haven't. And here is number 6. This is the last fact. But stick around because there's the listing questions afterwards. Number 6. The Burj Al Arab is a fantastic and expensive hotel which was designed by look like a billowing sail or to look like a billowing sail. So you have to choose between designed by look or designed to look. And the right answer is to look. All right? The hotel looks like a sail on a sailboat. Amazing. All right. Now, here is the third secret code. It is, I want to visit Dubai. All right. Now, let's get to those true or false questions. So here's 3 questions. You just have to answer down below whether you think they are true or false. Number 1, the Burj Khalifa is over 800 meters high. True or false? Number 2, Dubai has expensive police cars. True or false? And number 3, it is possible to go skiing at a mall in Dubai. True or false? All right, write your answers down below. Now, that's the end of this lesson, but if you want to keep learning and you want to check out a playlist, I'm going to put a link right here, and thus you can watch more of my videos. You can see a different beard length. Maybe I got a few more hairs, and the most important thing is you keep learning English. All right, by the way, I can't afford to stay at the Burj Al Arab Hotel. That's it for now. See you later.